Hello guys, this is FairBinaryOptions.com, and looking at the Euro US dollar with some bearish eyes, or with some let's say bearish sentiment, and therefore I would like to buy put options. However, not here, not now. The reason for this put option stays with the daily chart, actually not the 4-hour chart, but on the 4-hour chart will be more visible. But let's go on the daily chart. Choose the levels. See here, these move to the upside. This resembles with a head and shoulders. Now this is a big time frame. The head and shoulder basically would be this one, like this. This should be the neckline. Let's make it blue. Now let's make it red, because it's a neckline that is broken to the downside, and a bit bigger, like this. So this would be our head and shoulders, with the something like this, with the potential neckline being this, and that the left shoulder here, the right shoulder, and of course the break to the downside. But I'm looking for this neckline to be retested, so something like more like 20 pips or 30 pips or even 50 pips to the upside would not be out of the question. See, this is our neckline. This is the triangle that hesitated here for so many times, broken here, retested. So the left shoulder should be this one here. Then if you take exactly the same shoulder here and projected it on the right side, you will have almost exactly the same time for the right shoulder. Price broke to the downside, and the measure move for such pattern should be this one, from the highs to here, like this. Make it like this, clone it, and you project it by the moment that the neckline is broken, either here or here, no problem, probably here. And the target to the downside will come into around 135. Now this is a daily chart, and it means a reversal pattern, quite a strong reversal pattern. So the bullishness of the US dollar most likely to continue. What I would like to do is to see this neckline here to be retested, and don't look for a value of exactly the same this resistance level, and from this moment to break to the downside, but look mostly for the following. So just clone this line here, project it to the upside, something like this, in order to see the amplitude that was respected on so many times here and here and here, even though the actual left shoulder and right shoulder actually go with those spikes. But this is the amplitude that I'm interested in. From here, respected here as well, respected on the right side as well. And I would divide this channel into two parts. So make it into halves, like this, and therefore this is the area I would like for price to come, and this is the area that I would like to buy put options. Everything here should be good enough in my book to go and buy put options with end of week expiration date. Why end of week? We want to avoid any possible volatility that we are having as a result of Bank of England and the flows out of Great Britain pound or into the Great Britain pound that should reflect on the euro and the Great Britain pound cross. So we should avoid everything like that, and therefore we would like to buy them put options into this area here, even with 1 pip. It depends very much on the aggressivity, or maybe you can split the amount you want to invest into this scenario, and you can split it into multiple entries, but within this area, end of week expiration date. This should be now resistance. So let's write here on the screen. Then we are waiting for price to retest the neckline and want to buy put options every time not every time, put options in the first half of the above channel. Expiration date, end of week. So if it comes on Tuesday, we'll buy them Tuesday with end of week expiration. If it comes on Wednesday, we'll buy them Wednesday with end of week expiration. No problem. Let's make it with blue. And let's put it here. Thank you very much for being here. FairBinaryOptions.com. All these recommendations and analyses are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lioneye.